In today's video, guys, I'm going to show us how you can be able to earn at least the sum of 1,500 naira every single day. All right, and within 4 days, guys, you will be able to earn 6,000 naira, and I'm going to show us how you can be able to withdraw these your earnings down straight into your local bank account. What I need you to do is to go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are about to get in today's video. All right, and I want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. Yes, we're about hitting 3,000 subscribers, so go ahead and join us by clicking on the subscription button. But after clicking on the subscription button, turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload the ways you can be able to make money online. Right now, guys, I recently created a new WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel. What I do in this WhatsApp group and Telegram channel is to update ways, strategies, or methods you can be able to earn a whole lot of money for yourself online. All right, so once we get up to 100 persons in this group, we are going to shut the group and we are going to get started. Remember, I upload the ways you can be able to make money online on this WhatsApp group and Telegram channel before even thinking of bringing it here on YouTube, and in most cases I do not even bring it here on YouTube at all. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video and also in the comment section, so use the link to join the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. And once we get up to 100 persons, we're shutting the group and we are getting started. All right, now with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. So before jumping straight into the video, I want to be sure that you have clicked the like button of the video and you have joined this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. Right, I'm sure you've done that, so well done. You're doing a good job. So let's get started, guys. So first thing first, guys, I'm going to take us through the registration aspect of the platform. Second, I'm going to show you the things you need to do in order to earn this money for yourself every single day. And the third part is I'm going to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earnings. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead right now and click the link I will be leaving in the description of the video or in the comment section, and it will bring you over to this interface where you can be able to quickly register yourself. All right, so once you click on the link, it will bring you over to this place. So you need to type in your phone number here. All right, then type in a password and then click over here in order for the platform to send an OTP in order to verify your number. So once you receive the OTP, type it inside this box and then go ahead and click on sign up now, and you are done with the registration. So once you are done with the registration and you have logged in, this is the interface you are going to see. Over here you can see stable, you can see welfare, you can see activity. All right, so let's take it one after the other. On the stable part, you can see the various plans. You can be able to activate this first plan with the sum of 3,500 naira, and every single day you'll be earning 1,575 naira for the period of 39 days. All right, so when you scroll down, you can be able to see other plan which you can be able to activate with the sum of 15,000 naira, and then every single day you will be getting 7,050 naira, and then for the period of 39 days you will be able to be getting the sum of 274,950 naira. All right, so once you click over here that says welfare, you are going to still see other plans. All right, I'm going to show you or let you know the difference between the stable, the welfare, and the activity. Now for the welfare, you can be able to activate the first plan with the sum of 2,500 naira, and it's going to last for the period of 4 days. Just 4 days, guys. How cool is that? Then every single day you will be getting the sum of 1,500 naira for the period of the 4 days, and for the period of the 4 days you'll be getting the total of 6,000 naira. But you can be withdrawing your earning every single day. Right, now let's move over to the activity, right, which is over here. So in the activity side, you can be able to activate this first plan with the sum of 5,000 naira, which will last for the period of 15 days, and every single day you will be getting the sum of 2,750 naira, and at the period of 15 days you will be getting the total of 41,250 naira. When you scroll down, you can also see another plan which you can be able to activate with a total of 30,000 naira. All right, and it will last for the period of 15 days. Every single day you'll be getting the total of 18,000 naira, and for the period of the 15 days you are going to be getting the sum of 270,000 naira. Remember, guys, you can be withdrawing your earning every single day. You don't need to leave it till the end of the 15th day before you can be able to withdraw. You can be withdrawing your earning every single day. All right, now what I would recommend is once you are done with registration and you are over to this page, I want you to first of all activate the stable plan. All right, yes, activate the stable plan, because the stable plan will last for the period of 39 days. So once you activate the stable plan, at least with the first plan using 3,500 naira, all right, you can go ahead and activate the welfare, which is over here. All right, go ahead and activate the welfare. Remember, this stable will last for the period of 39 days, right? Yes, so pending when we get to the 39th day, be using the welfare over here, which will last for the period of just 4 days, and you'll be getting 1,500 naira. So if you still have money for yourself, you can still go ahead, which is not necessary, but you can still go ahead and activate a particular plan in the activity. All right, you can choose to activate the first plan using 5,000 naira, which will last for the period of 15 days, and each day you'll be getting 2,500 naira. All right, it depends on your pocket. All right, time you're doing this investment, always remove greed from the equation, because anything could happen. I am not a financial advisor and I am not a financial expert. All right, whatever I bring online here is what I've done and what has worked for me, so I'm bringing it here for you to look into it and see if it is something you can be able to venture into. All right, let's move over to how you can be able to deposit some certain amount of money in order to activate any plan of your choice. Now, to deposit money, you have to click over here that says account. Okay, now, but before clicking on the account, let's go over to the board over here in order to see the withdrawals some persons must have done using this platform. So when you look over here, you will see that various persons must have done different withdrawals on the 1st of August. All right, on the 1st of August, these are the withdrawals people have made using this platform. You can see 8,100 naira, 2,375 naira, 4,100 naira. This is 1st of August, as you can see over here. Okay, so once you go down, you can still see more and more credit alert that people have been earning using this platform. So let's proceed on how you can be able to deposit money in this platform and then activate any plan of your choice. So go ahead and click on the account over here. So once you click on the account, it will bring you over to this place. So you're going to see deposits over here, and you're going to see withdrawal. When you look over here, you will discover that I have at least balance of 500 naira. So let's click on deposit and see how this works. So you're going to type in the amount you would want to deposit. It could be 2,500, it could be 3,500, any amount you want to deposit. All right, you can still go ahead to click here in order to select it instead of typing it. All right, so once you've typed the certain amount you would want to deposit, go ahead and select this deposit channel 1 or deposit channel 2 or deposit channel 3. Anyone can serve. All right, so but just for the purpose of this video, let's use deposit channel 1. So the next thing you're going to do is to click over here that says to deposit. Okay, so once you click on the to deposit, it's going to generate an account details you can be able to transfer money to. All right, so this is the amount we want to deposit, which is over here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to click here in order to copy the account number. So once you copy the account number, you're going to move over to your bank app in order to transfer the certain amount you want to deposit. So once you transfer the amount, I want you to go ahead, scroll down and click over here that said I have made the payment. It will not take up to a minute. Your account is going to be credited. So once your account has been credited, I want you to go back. Okay, I want you to go back to the plan by clicking on the home. So once you click on the home, you're going to choose the particular plan you want to activate. It could be welfare, it could be stable. Remember what I said, activate stable, which will last for the period of 39 days, then go to the welfare and activate one plan in the welfare, which will last for the period of 4 days, pending when the stable counts to the 39th day. All right, now once you've gotten money for withdrawal, this is how you can can be able to withdraw your earnings, go ahead and click on account. So once you click on account, you're going to also click on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, to bring you over to this interface, I have already linked my bank account. That is why you are seeing it over here. Okay, so go ahead and type in the amount you would want to withdraw inside this box. Okay, and then type in your transaction password. Transaction password is the password you created when you are registering in this platform. So once you are done typing the password, go ahead and click on submit withdrawal. It will not take time. You're going to get it right straight into your local bank account. So if you want to witness when I'm going to make a live withdrawal, I want you to do one thing for me. Click the like button of this video, all right, then subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that YouTube can notify you whenever I'm dropping the video, when I'm placing a live withdrawal. If you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button to let me know that you're able to get to this level. Then comment any question that you need to ask in the comment section, and I will surely attend to that. All right, so use the link I will be dropping in the description of this video or in the comment section to get started. Get yourself registered, activate a particular plan, and start earning or cashing out for yourself. Remember, I created a new WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel where I upload strategies, methods you can be able to make money online. And remember, once we get up to 100%, we are shutting off the group and we are going to get started. So I'll also be dropping the link of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group in the description of the video and also in the comment section. So don't forget to join and then start making money for yourself. All right, now this is what I have for you guys in today's video, and always remember that Leo loves you. See you on the other side. Peace.